list of figures and tables. List of figures and tables. So you have to come here and insert a blank page. Ndio hii sasa. Ndio hiyo. So hapa juu ni type title list of figures and tables. Nitaipia mwenye kona keyboard. List of figures and tables. List of figures and tables. List of figures and tables. Good. So for that case, that means this page will consist of figures and tables that I have used within the document. So I can give it a header style still, header style level 1. Header style level 1. For my case, I don't have any table, I don't have any figure within the document, so I have to insert them. Whenever you work with table or a figure can be either an image, a shape, or any other illustration like smart art. Okay, that is upon you if you want to work with those figures. So let me work with a table first. I may come here and say I want to present some data here. So enter for me to have a space for table. Enter again. So I come under insert and I go under table. I choose any table within the layout. Now I have to consider that table. I have got the table, but I don't have the table name, the table caption, table name. I don't have it. Like the way you used to see under the mathematics books. You see table 1 or figure 1, figure 2. Do you recall? So I have to apply that caption. Caption means a descriptive word. Caption, a descriptive word. So I have to come here and I click on reference. I click on a reference and I go under insert caption. Insert caption. When I click there, it asks you, is it a figure? For this case, this is not a figure. It is a table. So I have to take the figure label. I choose now to table. So when I click on OK, it will tell me table 1. Table 1. Let me insert another table. Click there, enter. Enter again, good. So I go under insert table and I choose another layer. Then from there, come click here. I go under reference, insert caption, table 2. I click on OK. Let's insert a figure. I go under chapter 3. Click here, insert, enter. Insert. I want a figure. I can go under smart art. And I choose a hierarchical manner. Then from there, I click here and I click on this area. Now I have got this one. This area where I have to type my text. You remember? But now I have to give it a caption. So I click on a certain area on the top of it. I go under reference and I go insert caption. Is it a table? No. Now I change from table to figure. And I click on OK. Now I have got them. I have got tables and I have got figures within my document. And you know, we have already created a page for list of figures and tables. So I have to go back and insert them there. If you want to reference about the table and figures, you have to come under here. So I click here and I go under reference again, insert table of figures. Insert table of figures. When I click here, do you want to start the figure or table? This displays the manner by which they appear within either after printing or once it is sent online. Website, you can see. Web preview. When I share it online, this is the outlook of it. When I print it, that is the outlook of it. Okay? The way it appears now, that's the meaning. So for my case, I just come here and I choose caption label. And I click on this inverted triangle and I say I want table first. For my case, I want table first. So when I click on OK, it will tell me table 1 is page. Table 2 is on page. Good. Let us come up with the figures now. I go and insert table of figures. Now I change to figure and I click on OK. Figure 1 is page 3. Yes. Due to the caption that you applied, we are automating. Without caption, there's no way we can find this thing. And that's why you have seen that I have first started with applying the caption. Then after applying the caption, that's when I go and insert table F and figures. Okay? And caption, they are here. So you must be within the specific object that you want to apply the caption. And you must be able to know whether it is a table or a figure. Are we together? So then from there, now I have created a referencing area of the tables and figures themselves. That when I want to know more about the table 1, I have to go under page 2. About the figure, I have to go to page number 3. Then last area that is much important still is something called citation. Citation. Citation means what? The sourcing area. Citation. The sourcing area. Remember, we are assuming that we are coming up with a document consisting of information about coronavirus. Okay? So, now that means we have to source some information somewhere. Because it's a research you are doing. So you have to source some information from either some people or some document. So how now do you get that citation? That you source the information from somewhere. So it's like you are quoting somebody. You are quoting somebody who stated as you have stated. So I come here on the document. I may say I want now to quote Mutahi Kagwe for my case. I click on this. Then I go under Insert, Citation, and New Source. Once I click there, it asks you the source. Where did you source those information from? Is it a book? Is it a journal? Is it a report? They are all here. For my case, it's a report of Kagwe. So I click here, report. Okay? Then from the author, Mutahi Kagwe, type for us. Mutahi Kagwe, Minister of Corona. Then, title of the document. You can say COVID-19. That's the title of the report. Year of publication, 2020. And when it is came in our country. Publisher. Type of the publisher, you know. Kentucky Longhorn. Longhorn. City, type the country, not the capital city. Country. Good. Now from there I just say okay. Now you can see it is in Kagwe 2020, and I know that some of you have ever seen such things within the document, and maybe you ask yourself what the meaning of it. Have you ever seen? Now it indicates that the same information that you have read there, there's somebody else who have stated the same as the writer. So you can go and do more research on what he stated. That is Kagwe, the year 2020. Okay? Let's take another person. I come under another chapter. I may come here. I go under Insert Citation, and I under New Source. Now, this I want from book. I want you to write the author of the book that you did under the high school. Now that is the novel that you read on high school. The title of the document. The title of the document. The Doors House, okay. Year of publication. I know you don't know exactly year. You can just guess. You don't know. City. Where he published that document from. Publisher. You can just write the same you had there before long on. Good. When I say now, okay. Now you see. 1990. So this is trying to tell you that yes, I have just talked about that. But there's somebody else who have talked more about it. Okay? Yes, I have mentioned it is true. But there's somebody who have got clear information in detail than me. Go and now reference on that person. That is the citation. Once you're done with applying the citation, you have to work with bibliography now. Let us see how we apply the bibliography. We have to go under the last page of your document. The last page of your document. Insert another new page there. Blank page. Now this page now carries the references now that we have created. The resourcing area. The resourcing area. Citation itself. So I come under reference bibliography. Here. I have got different style. It's upon you the way you want it to be applied. You want it in bibliography or work cited. Still, whoever is working with 207 to work with the reference. It bibliography, works cited, or reference. 3 things. Okay? But for this, it is just showing me bibliography and work cited. So for my case, I work with work cited. Now to show you work cited from who the site of the information was H 1990 Doris House, Nairobi, wrong one. So it is putting the writer of the document, that is the author, the title of the document, the city, and see the publishers. Are you seeing? Those are the things that they are appearing there through the bibliography. So it put them now them in full. Work cited from where? Citation. Work cited from where? Where do you source from? Or where can you source from? Okay? That is the area. But now they are following a certain format. APA style. APA style, that is arrangement order now. I can change to another like Chicago. You see the difference. You can see. I can change from Chicago to another one like this. You can see the way they are changing. But all time we work with APA style for official document. APA 5th edition for official document. APA style for official document. Are you together?
Yes.
Are you together? Yes. So 3 major things that you have to know under references. There's a minor, but 3 major things that you have to understand under references. How to come up with the table of content, how to come up with the list of figures and tables, and see how to work, how to apply the citation. Those are the 3 major things that you have to ensure that you orient yourself on and you understand better. You can just okay.